Right, you're in the yard.
For £2 your raspberries or blueberries. Have a look, Mills took for £2 your raspberries or blueberry today. Good afternoon.
Hello, love. You alright?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, not bad.